Alright, this is Silas. He's shooting his cricket. A little smaller than what Daddy was shooting earlier, but, you know, he'll make it happen. Ain't that right? Alright. And this target was brought to you by... Oh, let me see if I can get this here.
Hurry.
Bojangles. Bojangles can lick... Never mind. Alright, you ready to roll, Silas?
Alright, here we go. I only had 2 rounds.
Alright. Alright. Okay, now.
No, look at it down there.
You ain't gonna see nothing, trust me.
Let's go take a look at it.
You think you got it? See if you did better than your old man earlier. Oh, dead center. Good job, Silas.
Right there.
Let's see. Oh.
Right there.
That was sad earlier, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it right there. I think that's the only one you got.
No, right here too. Right
Oh yeah, there's another one. Look, one.
I think that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, right there and right there. Good job, Silas.
Thank you.
All right, stow your weapon.
Yeah.
Put your safety on. Did you put your safety on? There you go. Good job, buddy. All right, let's roll. Come on, Avery. Say hi, Avery.
Oh, oh yeah.
What? Say Obama. Romney. All right, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Obama. You throw a rock? Okay, throw a rock.
Let's go.
Oh, good job.